I know you love to get outdoors, go hiking, climb mountains, or just take walks in the woods. Otherwise, you wouldn't have clicked on this video. But doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, you should always be prepared for emergency situations. That's why for today's video, we've put together a ready-made Christmas wish list with the most useful and innovative survival gadgets out there. But before you start adding them to your favorites tab, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date when we find more interesting gadgets for you. Remember how you tried to chop that branch with your knife? Why would you do that? Right, because carrying an axe was too inconvenient. Thank God your knife prayers have been answered, because some genius invented the Axis. It's so lightweight that Indiana Jones himself would be impressed. At just 7 inches and 14 ounces, then wait, use it as a hatchet or instantly transform it into a full-size axe. It's up to you. Imagine having a tool that combines rugged durability with ergonomic finesse. Whether you're facing a dense thicket or building a makeshift shelter, this hand axe can handle anything. Hang it from your belt or stash it in your backpack. Wherever you go, it'll unleash your inner woodsman or survivalist. And don't worry, lefties, it's left-hand friendly by default. After this next invention, you're gonna start carrying around a shovel on your hikes. Only a shovel. Meet the Baja multifunctional tool. This isn't your ordinary shovel. It's a Swiss Army knife that is by your side when the great outdoors get tricky. This compact foldable miracle easily transforms from a rugged 36-inch shovel into one that's 2 times shorter, while the 8-inch handle can turn into the specific survival item you need. Cut, saw, chop, screw. This Baja multi-tool can do anything. Psst, it's also so sharp that you can use it to dig a shelter out of ice. Still not impressed? Then how about a built-in compass, whistle, fire starter, and even an LED flashlight to light your way? Oh, I almost forgot. It digs pretty damn good too. I know what you've been wondering. How can you give your significant other a gift that has a wire stripper, mini screwdriver, soft-use pry bar, and 2 rulers in one tool? What a thoughtful question. Here's what we've got. This tactical multi-tool hair clip transforms into a pocket-sized toolkit, ensuring you're always ready for the unexpected. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this 5-gram, 4-inch hair clip is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. You never know when you'll need a tool. The holidays are just around the corner, so let us know in the comments. Would your girlfriend like this clip as a Christmas present? Imagine finding yourself alone in the forest at night. Believe it or not, but all you need is one practical tool to survive this situation. More specifically, the Noah, the all-in-one transforming forest axe. Small enough to fit into a backpack, this axe has been engineered for maximum utility. You're essentially holding a hammer, knife, compass, whistle, saw, fire starter, bottle opener, and glass breaker. Hey, put your credit card down. I haven't told you the most interesting part yet. It weighs just 1 kilogram. Want to keep your favorite knife sharp so it's ready to go when you need it most? Then meet this little guy, Sharple, the pocket knife sharpener. Its compact size of just 3.54 inches makes it a must-have in any adventurer's pocket, backpack, or survival kit. The Sharple is suitable for any journey because it weighs just 2.4 ounces. Also, seamlessly integrated into its design is a reliable fire starter that can spark a flame in any wilderness situation. It features a diamond sharpening rod for quick repair, restoration, and sharpening of straight and serrated blades. As if that weren't enough, the Sharple also comes with a built-in whistle, just in case you need to get someone's attention. So whether you're slicing through thick rope or making a meal by the campfire, the Sharple sharpener ensures your blade is always up to the challenge. I bet you've never even seen a saw that can fit in your girlfriend's purse. Intrigued? Then meet the Shine Trip, a 15-inch portable folding saw with an aluminum frame and stainless steel blade. Thanks to its collapsible design and weight that's less than that of an iPhone 15 Pro Max, this tool can easily be taken on any picnic or hiking trip. It comes in handy when you need to light a campfire, while its ergonomics allow you to feel confident even when making a raft, a rain shelter, or even an entire log cabin. What do you know about saving space in your backpack? Probably nothing if you don't have this knife. Don't be fooled by its size. With a length of just 80 millimeters when open, this pocket-sized marvel doesn't compromise on functionality. Rest assured that its blade is prepared to handle any cutting task. It'd be a true crime if I failed to mention its appearance. Just take a look at its sleek and stealthy design inspired by its namesake, the B2 Spirit. You a camping fan? Do you enjoy spending nights outdoors under the stars? Well, what if the weather turns on you and staying warm becomes not just a luxury, but a necessity? That's when you bust out the emergency thermal sleeping bag. Made from high-quality, heat-reflective material that retains up to 90% of your body heat, this sleeping bag is perfect for fighting off hypothermia. Its bright color and design makes it easily noticeable for rescue teams in case of emergencies. Plus, it comes with a 120 decibel whistle that can be heard up to a mile away through wind and trees. And that's not all. It's conveniently small, tear-resistant, wind and waterproof, and it can withstand harsh conditions, providing you with a safe shelter when you need it most. You've definitely never seen such a comprehensive yet convenient solution designed for adventurers. This is a modular flashlight called the Pyros. Let's start with its main feature, a really powerful 1000 lumen LED flashlight that cuts through the darkness. But here's where it gets truly exciting. It's a multi-purpose survival tool that integrates important features into a single compact device. It has a personal beacon locator for emergencies, a 6-piece screwdriver, it'll charge your phone like a power bank, and it can shine continuously for 6 hours straight. On top of all that, it features a built-in emergency whistle, a durable fire starter, and a glass breaker. Basically, the Pyros has been engineered to be your all-in-one solution for a wide range of survival scenarios. Have you ever tried to make a campfire from scratch? If so, then you probably know how difficult it is to chop wood in the wild. Well, this camping and survival hatchet makes that problem a thing of the past. This axe from Gerber is so impeccably designed and expertly crafted that thousands of Amazon shoppers have given it a 5-star rating. Sounds like quality to me. At first glance, you might underestimate its small size of 9.46 inches. However, you should never judge a book by its cover, or, in this case, a tool by its size. Its premium corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade is razor-sharp, incredibly durable, and ready to take on literally any task. And last but not least, it comes with a nylon pouch that can be clipped to your backpack or belt. When out in nature, you have to be prepared for any challenge, even when all you have left is a pen. The good thing is that this isn't a problem with the GP1945 Bolt Action Plus pen. The GP1945 pen is constructed from high-quality titanium, a durable and lightweight material known for its strength and corrosion resistance. This gives it a sleek, modern appearance while ensuring longevity. Plus, it has a regulated whistleblower that can attract birds and a glass breaker, making it more useful than anything you would keep at your desk. So, if you decide to take up bird watching, you know exactly what gadget to order now. The GP1945 pen can be refilled with a variety of inks, allowing users to choose ink types and colors. And a pocket clip securely attaches the pen to a pocket or notebook, making it convenient for those on the go. This pen features a sophisticated, minimalist design inspired by the end of World War II in 1945. Its titanium finish also adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish accessory for any setting. Wait, did I also mention it's also great for riding? The Slide Belt Universal Belt not only makes sure you don't get caught with your pants down in an awkward situation, but it also keeps you from starving. Hidden within the buckle is an AUS 8 stainless steel blade, ideal for opening a jar of peanut butter, and a ferrocium rod, fire starter, capable of igniting a fire even from damp kindling. Additionally, the multifunctional buckle houses an LED flashlight powered by 4 LR621 AG1 batteries and a bottle opener for impromptu celebrations. The belt itself is water and sun rot resistant, easily adjustable, and can be cleaned with wet wipes. According to comments on the manufacturer's website, it's a hot item right now as a Christmas gift. Tag someone who would be ecstatic to find a slide belt under the tree this season. Struggling with what to get your girlfriend on a special occasion? In my opinion, the stylish Flounder Pendant necklace is exactly what you need. Don't be fooled by its modest size, 1.96 by 1.02 by 0.23 inches, and weight, 13.2 grams. This locket made from durable GR5 titanium, is a true multi-tool. For example, if you're spending the night in the woods, the pocket saw can help cut firewood, and the built-in fire starter can quickly and easily light a fire. The Flounder's body also includes a magnetic handle in a titanium case with a replaceable graphite tip, making it easy to write on any surface. And for those of you who are sick of searching for items in the dark, the manufacturer built in some glow-in-the-dark elements that receive their charge from another light source. So if your girlfriend isn't into rigorous activities or adventures, it might be better to stick to a traditional jewelry store, but this little gadget could be a great gift to buy for yourself. The French-made Cap Trek bracelet is a versatile assistant for those who love to venture high into the mountains or deep into dense forests. Its GPS ensures that you don't get stranded without cell service and allows you to find friends through real-time shared geolocation. Its IP67 water and dust resistance, IK08 protection rating, 24-hour battery life, and durability in extreme temperatures, up to plus 50 degrees Celsius and down to negative 20 degrees Celsius, mean you can stroll with confidence into the snowdrifts of Alaska or the dunes of the Sahara. On its 2.4-inch, you can access weather conditions, slope angles, altitude, and a compass. The gadget's functionality includes exchanging text and voice messages, the latter requiring a headset connected to your phone. The bracelet's features expand even further with the brand's mobile app, making Cap Trek a solid alternative to the Apple Watch for measuring physical metrics. The bracelet is even compatible with GoPro action cameras, starting from Hero 9 Black and DJI drones. Combat your herpetophobia with the Venom Gator V2 from Hunter's Element, a shield against venomous snake bites. Its specially designed internal fang shield membrane has been tested against Australia's most dangerous snakes. Thanks to its adjustable design, the Venom Gator V2 perfectly contours to the shape of the leg, and its materials prevent chafing, ensuring a comfortable fit. The removable gaiters fix securely to the skin thanks to a triple closure system of zippers and Velcro. Not to mention, these things have cool designs. Available in a wide range of sizes, from small to 2XL, finding the right fit should be a breeze. Snakes don't seem so scary now, do they? Forget pepper sprays and tasers. With the elegant Parac Claw knife bracelet from Outdoor Edge, no would-be wrongdoer is coming within a cannon shot of you. The 1.5-inch blade, made from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel with black stone coating, looks intimidating and can cut through virtually anything. Its proprietary sheath system holds the knife securely and allows for instant retrieval in extreme situations. Not bad, huh? Now check out the handmade paracord. The 50-gram Parac Claw is available in 3 sizes: small, wrist circumference of 5.75 to 6.5 inches, medium, 6.25 to 7 inches, or large, 7 inches to and larger. You'll have no problem finding a model suitable for both delicate and rugged wrists alike. So, what do you think of this knife bracelet from Outdoor Edge? Would you like to find it under the Christmas tree? Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you believe me if I told you that you don't need to bring water on a hike or bike ride? Well, you should, because there's an invention called the Fontus Arrow. It's the world's first self-filling water bottle that condenses moisture from the air and runs on solar power. It never runs out of water. The bottle's filling speed depends on the external humidity level, but the manufacturer promises up to 500 milliliters per hour at 80 to 90% humidity. The working principle is simple. A small fan draws in air and passes it through a special filter. Thanks to special cooling elements, water gradually begins to condense on the inside of the bottle as droplets. For cycling enthusiasts, there's another model with a special bike mount, the Fontus Ride. Picture this. You're cruising right along while your bottle is filling up with water the entire time. You stop, take a drink, and continue on your way. Do you know what device Bear Grylls was clearly missing to make his survival in the wild easier? The Ascent Survival Firestarter watch with a paracord strap. This is no ordinary watch. It's an 80-gram compact survival kit. Its standout feature is the paracord bracelet, which can be easily unraveled when needed. You'll get a couple of meters of sturdy cord that can be used in a variety of ways. For example, as a holder or a tourniquet for splinting. The paracord, knife, and handle allow you to easily craft primitive tools for fishing or hunting. The Ascent Survival also features a built-in compass, thermometer, and a whistle that can be heard for miles. Plus, it includes a fire starter for igniting a fire when you don't have a lighter handy. Imagine getting caught in fierce winds and pouring rain. You're shivering cold and desperately trying to light a fire to warm up. You strike match after match, but they keep breaking or getting blown out by the wind. This exact scenario led to the creation of robust, waterproof matches that can withstand the fiercest storm winds or even sandstorms. If you accidentally drop one in a puddle, don't throw it away. Just dry it off and it's good to go again. Each match can burn for up to 25 seconds in any weather. But remember, it's crucial to keep these matches in their original container to avoid any accidental fires. This item is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. But remember, never throw away a partially burned match. You can't just stamp it out or bury it. The only way to ensure it's completely out is to let it burn down completely. Keep that in mind. If you're a hiking and outdoor enthusiast, you should never be without this next item. The emergency blanket is a thin blanket made of sturdy foil that can keep you from freezing in the forest or mountains. This cover protects against moisture and wind in bad weather. And when the temperatures drop at night, put it in your sleeping bag for a much cozier sleep. The emergency blanket weighs just 40 grams and easily fits in the palm of your hand when folded, so it won't take up much space in your backpack. However, when spread out, its dimensions are 210 by 130 centimeters. If you're a novice hiker and tend to get a bit lost, its reflective foil is handy for signaling rescuers. And in case of an accident or injury, covering the injured person's body with the emergency blanket will help prevent hypothermia. This incredibly useful item costs right around $5, making it very affordable for everyone. Can an avid tourist or traveler ever have too many knives? Definitely not, especially when it comes to versatile tools like the Survival Stovehead, a 3-sided folding accessory that weighs a mere 56 grams. At just 1 inch wide and 4 inches long, this tool functions like a sharp knife. But there's more. The Survival Stovehead doubles as a bottle opener and a fitting for a DIY stove. What does that mean for you? Just place the unfolded tool on top of the can as a base, light a fire underneath, and you can boil, fry, or warm up your meal. The package includes a sheath and a durable carabiner, so you can attach the tool to your backpack for easy access. I bet there are even more benefits to the Survival Stovehead. How would you put it to use? Share your ideas in the comments. Alright folks, now you know how to survive in any situation, even with a single shovel or pen. Tell us in the comments which gadget you found the most interesting and what you've already added to your wish list. While you're at it, hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos. See ya!